In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Calendar productivity 2026 step by step. Open Google Calendar in your browser. On the left sidebar, look for other calendars and click the plus icon beside it. Then choose Create New Calendar. You're going to make separate calendars as categories so your week is instantly understandable at a glance. Create calendars for areas like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Assign each one a distinct, high contrast color so you can spot them quickly on both desktop and mobile. A quick tip, pick colors you'll actually enjoy looking at every day and keep similar themes grouped but not identical. When you're done, you can toggle each calendar on or off to focus only on what matters right now. Next, set your default so every event behaves the way you need without extra clicks. Click the gear icon, go to Settings, then Event Settings. Choose a default event duration, such as 30 or 60 minutes, depending on how you typically work. Add 2 default reminders, for example 1 hour and 10 minutes before, and choose whether you want them as notifications or emails. These defaults prevent missed tasks and keep your day on track while still letting you customize reminders for special events. Now time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, place work into calendar blocks with start and end times. For example, 8 to 9 in the morning for admin tasks, 9 to 11 for deep work, 1 to 2 for client calls, and 4 to 5 for content creation. Treat these blocks like real appointments. If something changes, drag the block to a new time rather than deleting it, so the work still gets done. Leave small buffers between blocks to reduce overrun stress. Make routines effortless with recurring events. Create an event, then set it to repeat. Great candidates include weekly planning on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events free up mental energy and keep your calendar consistent. Protect your focus. Use focus time to automatically limit meeting interruptions during deep work windows. Mark out of office for times you're unavailable so invites are declined for you. And use tasks integration to place actionable items right on your calendar, ensuring they're visible alongside your time blocks. Finally, keep everything in one place using the event description. Add your meeting agenda, keynotes, links to video calls, and relevant documents. A short checklist here makes preparation simple and repeatable. With categories, smart defaults, time blocks, recurring routines, focus protection, syncing across devices, and clear descriptions, your Google Calendar becomes a reliable system you can trust every day.